Hello everyone, this is Jack and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy hosting from Hostinger step by step. Also, I have include a special link and coupon code so that you can get a discount. Okay, so let's copy your link and paste your favorite search engine. You will land to the official Hostinger website. Now go to the hosting section and you will see different plans available here. Okay, so premium plan, business plan, and a cloud startup plan. Okay, and you can choose your duration like 1 month, 12 months, 24 months, or longer. Okay, I recommend the premium web hosting plan because it allows you to the host multiple website. You can see you can create up to 3 website, 15 AI website builder queries, and 20 gigs of storage for your file. All right, so choose the plan. Okay, from the premium plan, you need to select the duration. I recommend for beginner 12 month, 1 year. Then great news. You get a free domain for 1 year with this order. Okay, that's your current bill. Okay, here is our coupon code. So our coupon code is WebTech10. Just copy and hit the apply button. Okay, you can see the price has been reducted. Now your total price is 43.09. Okay, let's continue. Here is our payment option. In the payment option, you can select Visa, American Express, MasterCard, credit card, or debit card. And also, they have a PayPal card, Google Pay, and Apple Pay. Lots of payment options. Okay, once your payment is done, you will be redirected to your hosting dashboard. There, you can connect your domain, install WordPress, and start building your website. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and just subscribe to our channel. If you have any question, just feel free to comment below.